A very good morning, student. So today we will start chapter 3rd, finding the rarest animal. So student, in this chapter the importance of discipline has been shown. Let's see by reading the chapter. There is a team of scientists who arrive in jungle. And why they arrive in jungle? To study more about the rarest creature of the world. This rarest creature rarely spotted. People can only mark it present by seeing the footprint mark or by hearing the distinct sound that it make. And what sort of sound it make? It makes a sound of like wolf crying in pain. Okay, ooh sound. Each scientist, they want to take photograph and study more about it. And to study more about it, now what the scientists did, they make their observation center near a lake. Why near a lake? Because lake is a place where all the animal come to drink water. So what they did, they keep their observation center near a lake. And after keeping the observation center, what they did, they used to hide in the bushes and among the trees so that they can have a picture of it. As the animal was a nocturnal animal. What is nocturnal animal? Nocturnal animal is animal that can see in night. Okay, see at night. So like tiger, cat, lion, these all are nocturnal animals. These animals hunt at night. Okay, student. So researchers, they have to pass their daytime while talking with each other. Among all the researchers, there was one researcher whose name is Dr. Ramakrishnan. So Dr. Ramakrishnan, he was extraordinary man. Why he was extraordinary man? He was extraordinary because he was a very patient and organized man. Why he was very patient? Because let's see, we will learn it later in the chapter. And how he is organized man, just see it. Now what is his physical appearance? He's having a big mustache and a big turban on his head. Okay, see over, he is having a big mustache and a big turban on his head. Okay, so what happened? After every dinner, okay, every day before dinner. So before dinner, what happened? What he used to do? He used to spend time in hiding spot. So where he used to spend his time before dinner? What he used to do? He used to spend his time in properly arranging his technical equipments. Okay, so how he used to arrange his technical equipments? Let's see here. Among two branches, he kept his notebook. He placed his notebook among two branches, and slightly left of the notebook, he hang his recorder. What he hang? He hung his recorder. And then what he did? He carved 4 holes. He dug 4 holes in the branches of a tree, and in that hole, what he used to put? He used to put his pencil in a sequence. What sequence was that? Black, red, blue and green. So he used to put 4 pencil in the proper sequence in that hole which he has dug. And the camera which he used to put, it was slightly hanging on the branches. Okay, so that just by sitting he can have a picture of that rarest animal. Okay, now through this we come to know that he was a very organized man. Why? Because everything he kept in a very organized way. Notebooks, then his camera, then his recorder, his pencils, they were always kept in a sequence of black, red, blue and green. So he was a very organized man. And let us read ahead how his patience was tested. Just see, scientists spent many days in the jungle because they were spending a lot of days in the jungle. Now they become very relaxed because they were not able to see that rarest animal. So now they started being careless. But Dr. Radhakrishnan, because he was very patient type of person, but he keep on following his routine, and with patience he keep on waiting for that animal to be observed. Okay. One night what happened? Suddenly that animal arrived to drink water near the lake. Okay. So that suddenly what happened? That animal arrived. Everything was silent. Everything was silence at that time. And just few meters away, when scientists heard his voice, what happened? They started running here and there for the things, and this make a chaos. And with the chaos, what happened? The animal got the alarm and it ran away. So during that chaos, only few of the scientists were managed to have a proper picture of it. Few were having only detail of the voice, few were having record of the voice, other was having noted its movement. And the luckiest person has taken photograph of the part of his tail or leg. But and they were congratulating each other for this success. But what happened when Ramakrishnan arrived and he showed a complete documentary of it with all the pictures and details and everything? So they were stunned, and they were very surprised to see now how, and with surprise they were feeling jealous of him. Why he was feeling they were feeling jealous? They were feeling jealous because he was the only person who managed to get a complete picture of the rarest animal. And how it was possible? It was only possible because of his discipline. Okay. And now what happened? Because he was the person who was able to get a complete record of the rarest animal, so he became very famous, and he got the opportunity to name that rarest animal, and he named that rarest animal as Woolcry. So this is how the discipline helped Dr. Radhakrishnan to have a complete picture of that rarest animal and to learn more about the rarest animal and become famous. That is why it has been told you to be disciplined. Okay, students, thank you students for reading the chapter.